This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. Original owners in this extremely well-maintained and updated home west/main floor master. Kitchen remodel including Corian countertops, pull-out cabinet shelves west/soft close drawers, spice drawer, tile backsplash and stainless appliances. Open floor plan and kit, dining and family room. Gas log fireplace west/custom mantel and crown molding. 15 by 15 master features double closets and DBL shower and bath. Upstairs see bedroom 2 and 3 plus a door to a huge walk-in attic that is fabulous for storage. All new Pella windows, front door and sliding door, brand new water heater, new sump pump and crawl space and freshly painted throughout. Enjoy relaxing on the wrap-around front porch or gazebo and deck out back. Great neighborhood west/pool, playground and tennis. Convenient location too.